Hello David, this is the drone E384. So I'll just show you that everything is working conditions and what we have in the kit, and just let me know if you're interested. This is the remote controller Spectrum DX5E. Alright, so currently it's binded to the drone. I took up the propeller just for safety reason. The propeller is here. Alright, so throttle. Here's the control surfaces. Ailerons. The stickers are a bit going out here, but you can choose to take them out. It's just cosmetics really. So we have two wings here and an extra pair of wings here in case something happens. Then you can choose if to use it or not. It's just as a belly protector for the drone. This is a tail protector. It's also if you choose to use it or not. I just store in this box my remote control if you travel, and put it something like that. This is the carrying box. It has two compartments. It's really heavy duty. I put some soft lining here, some foam, so we can travel in a car safely. You can lift it or from top or from the sides. There is a pair of wheels in this side.
What's that noise?
Oh, just the battery, I need to unplug it.
Wheels.
Alright, I turn off the controller off. I show you what's inside here. This is the drone. That's the battery. Just unplug it now. Battery. Okay, this is a spot for the camera that goes here. We have here the receiver inside there. And the antenna that is here. Alright, so you take it apart, take the wings apart like that. Wings are connected here. Just unplug them for the moment. So we have the autopilot. Maybe I'll connect it again to the battery so you can see it's working. Autopilot ATM to 2.6, and we have the 3DR compass there. There's the motor. This is just a case that I built so I can use it or in the field, just to lay the plane before the preparations when you're preparing everything. Alright, some other things. So there's the propeller again, this goes here. You have to tighten it with
Spanner.
some spanner, yeah, before flying it. Alright, this is the NDVI camera that can capture plant health. This will be part of the kit. So this is the regular color, and then I put a different lens, and this is how the NDVI captures the. So basically, if you have the right software, you can check the health of the plants.
Infrared lens or something?
Infrared lens, yeah. Near infrared. Okay, the camera comes with a case, the charger, and an extra battery. This cable connects the drone to the camera. It's called the IntelliShot, and you can control how you're taking the photography. That's also will be in the kit. A bunch of rubber gums just for the wings. I told you that I'm gonna include the simulator. It's an X-Plane simulator. It's a series of 8 CDs. Basically, you can install it on your computer and practice with this remote on the computer, and there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to connect the simulator to your computer. So all the discs are here. Okay, next is the charger for the battery. As you see, it's working. Bunch of cables as well for different connections, different batteries. Okay, also some manuals that I put together. This is the manual for the remote control for the Spectrum. Operational manual for the drone itself. It's also available online. That's from a different company, but just for mission planning for aerial imaging. There's some guides as well. This a little bit on the camera operation, and that's a bit on the compass that in the drone. Alright, so I can include all this. There's some more paperwork. Just include it, maybe it can help. Alright, this is the antenna that connects the ground station to the drone. It's RFD 900. Just connect it to show you it's working. So that's alright. Alright, I'll stop the video now and try to connect the mission planner ground control station.